Hello, this is easy, and I want to show you how to reline the seed mesh back over the reference mesh. The common cause of what causes this is sometimes when you save the seed and reload it, you might get something like this. There could be a couple reasons. One is you are switching to an older version of Topogun. There could be a lot of reasons, and maybe one of the most common reason is you are taking this reference back in your other application, and you are either editing it or resaving it, and it's throwing some stuff out of whack. And one of the factors could be the scale factors. When you export out of your other applications, it might export this a little bit larger next time. So you got to be careful and export everything the same, because now this one's larger and it's not aligning to the small one here. Okay, so how can we fix this? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to the File, Save Scene As, and then we're going to come over here, and I'm going to go down another folder here. Then I'm going to switch to File Type to the OBJ. Alright, I'm going to save it to the this one here. I'm going to overwrite this one here. Now here's the orchard, the original reference mesh. It's already been saved. I don't need to save it, so we're just going to skip through that step here, because you can't save the high reference mesh in Topogun. You can only save the low cage right here. So we'll save that, and we'll overwrite that. Alright, if you know what the cage is, we are only saving this one right here. It's not saving the other one because you can't. So what we'll do is we're going to go load up our other application, and we're going to go File, Open, and we're going to load the first one, and it's going to take a little bit more time here. Then we're going to import the other one so it merges. Alright, this is the low cage one. Alright, I want to go ahead and I need to go ahead and hide that one, and I'm going to group all these right here real quick. Alright, and we'll turn that other one back on. So now we got to realign this in another application. Alright, so first of all, we know the scale factors. We need to scale it uniformly. Alright, that means everything gets scaled at once. And we're going to come down here, and I'm going to do some top view modes here. Alright, we'll go to the top view here. May need to turn on a little bit of transparency to see through it. And it looks alright. Then we'll go to the front view here. Let me just go back to perspective. And I'll kind of line it a little bit like this. And it does need to be scaled a little bit bigger, as you can see here. I don't want the, here we go. Just a little bit bigger. I think that's going to be close enough. I can have probably just a little bit showing. I don't want to get too drastic here. I do want it to move it back so that nose is kind of lined up a little bit. Okay, that looks good enough. I'm going to go ahead and hide this one here. And in this application, anything that's visible gets exported. Alright, so we just want to export this one. That's it. So we're going to go to File, Export, OBJ, and save that. We're going to re-overwrite the other one. And hopefully this will not adjust the scale factor. It shouldn't, so. Alright, then we're going to come back here and we're going to clear the seed. Alright, then we're going to come over here and we're going to use the load scene. You can use it from the this file menu if you want to anyway. So we'll load scene, and we're going to switch the file type OBJ. We're going to locate that other one. Here's the low one. Now this is going to be the scene mesh. So we're going to open here, and it's realigned. Now it's not snapped to it, but we got everything pretty close. Alright. So what we need to do is we need to go into vert mode. Alright, we're going to press the 1 key here, and then we're going to turn on back faces, and we're going to select all these here. We got 3 options we can do. Alright, we can come over here to the modifier here, and we got an option here to conform verts. We can choose this one, which is actually a little bit faster. We can come over here to the snap reference, and we can actually use the relax too. So if you was come over here and press this, I'll just show you an example. We don't want to relax it too much. I'll put in 0.5. Alright. Then we'll do something like this. Alright, that works. See, everything works pretty good there. Alright. And like I said, you can use the conform or the snap too. Now, if you're trying to get back to the original alignment, the relax, you can use it, but it might throw it just a little bit off whack. That's why I did not use a lot of high value on here. So I would highly recommend this. Control Z a couple times. I would highly recommend to use the conform, because it's a little bit faster. So we'll go to the as you can see, it's off the mesh here, so we'll go to modifier and conform verts. And it all comes back on there. And another thing is, if anything, if you see a little something that looks a little different and you want to fix it, you got this brush over here that you can seems like the relax brush over here works really good for fixing problem areas, and you can, you know, kind of smooth it back out and get everything back in line. Anyway, I think this is gonna wrap it up. Thank you very much.